Just a quick run through of the employee staff rota template. As you can see here, if you're looking at the shift data, this is the first entry sheet. This tool is aimed at, I would say, hospitality businesses, restaurants and hotels, bars type thing, and also sort of care type establishments which are sort of running a shift system sort of thing. And as you can see, there's a sort of service area section which is aimed at the hospitality. If you literally just have one area of the business and it's just you don't have any sort of departments, then you can just really need to ignore that. That's really aimed at hospitality businesses. So if you're more of a care business, just ignore the service area section. Just go straight to the shift types. Look at the shifts. You can rename those shifts as it says to whatever you need: morning, afternoon, evening, however you want to put them. Put the start and end dates in 24-hour format, and it will calculate the sort of shift pattern and shift amounts. You can adjust the shift types as well to adding things like leave and sick or whatever. Once you've updated that, go to the employee data section, which is very easy. You just put in the employee names. Then when you go to the staff rota, this is also very simple. If you update the date at the top, that will automatically update the dates for each day in the concurrent week. The employee names that you see in the employee box will be automatically fed through from the previous sheet. Then you can just go through each day, adding in all the required shifts that you want or don't want. Pretty much simple as that. If you go to the end, then you can see the total hours there. This is the same for every day of the week. So there's week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Earlier we talked about that this was suitable for care businesses and hospitality businesses. So when you go back to the week 1, all of the rotas actually do have a section for that. I've actually hidden the row here. Let me see if I can make it come back. Unhide column. So unhide column. So as you can see there, there's the service area row that has just reappeared. So if you are a hospitality business, then you can also say which area they are, and then what you can then do is just sort that column, and then you'll have them all neatly according to bar, kitchen, service, so you'll better see them in that way. Yes, as simple as that really. And there's your rota. And as I say, you can either distribute this by email, you can put this online in Google Docs or on Microsoft, which is where it is now. When you're editing it, I tend to use Excel to edit it. It's probably best to do it in there because not all the features exist online. But if people are just trying to view it, then it's easy you can just put it online. People can just check it through a web browser, or so you can just print it as well. So wonderful. Thank you.